Welcome to today's edition of Sugosha Aerospace and Defence News. I'm your host Shanti Kubir, bringing you the latest aerospace and defence highlights for today. The headlines: RFI issued for product improvement of overall combination for Indian Army. RFI issued by Army for Sarvatra bridge simulator. ADE set to unleash potent combat capabilities on Archer NG male UAV. DRDO extends Chitradurga ATR runway for advancing India's UAV development projects. DCM Shriram manufactures Skylock's CUAS for Indian market. From the global news, Naviris, Eurosam awarded contract for Horizon-class MLU program. Rheinmetall completes acquisition of Spanish defense contractor Expal systems. Amprius batteries power first stratospheric flight for PHASA-35 uncrewed aerial system. Turkish Aerospace Industries to supply Anka UCAV unmanned combat aerial vehicles to Indonesia. Lockheed Martin unveils most powerful laser weapon with a 500 kilowatt class laser. The news in detail. Indian Army is in the process of product improvement of overall combination in disruptive pattern that has life of 18 months authorized to different arms and services of the Indian Army. The item needs improvement to align itself with current functional requirements of Indian Army. This RFI endeavors to envisage vendor participation for selection of product by way of user trials. A meeting is scheduled on 1st of September 23 to discuss the design and fabric parameters and work out the modalities for progressing further. The last date of confirmation for participation in the vendor interaction is 25th August 23. Army intends to procure 28 simulators of Sarvatra bridge simulators. The simulators are to be made with a view to impart realistic training to the crew of the bridge system to ensure optimal utilization of the equipment. The last date for this is 19th October 23. ADE is gearing up to unleash a formidable array of made-in-India weapon systems on its latest creation, Army Archer NG male UAV. The Archer NG, set to roll out later this year, will be equipped with a diverse range of weapon systems to make it a potent combat UAV capable of tackling a variety of missions. One of the key weapons is the third generation fire and forget UAV launched precision guided munition ATGM. DRDO has taken a significant step in fortifying its capabilities for unmanned aerial vehicle development. DRDO has extended the runway at the Chitradurga Aeronautical Test Range by an additional kilometer, thereby bringing the total length to approximately 3.13 kilometers. This expansion is not only aimed at accommodating testing for larger, high altitude, long endurance class UAVs, but also aligns with DRDO's plan to cater to the evolving requirements of the Indian Armed Forces. The Chitradurga ATR stands as a dedicated establishment for conducting flight tests of DRDO's UAVs with a special focus on those belonging to the Rustam family of UAVs. The tactical airborne platform for aerial surveillance beyond Horizon 201, that is Tapas BH 201, affectionately known as Rustam 2 UAV, achieved remarkable success during its flight test at the Chalakere ATR back in November 2016. Israeli Avnon Group's Skylock has partnered with India's DCM Shriram Industries Limited to manufacture the former's VIP Dome Pro under the name DCM Portable Counter Unmanned Aircraft Vehicle System. Manufacturing work started in 2022, and DCM Shriram is in the process of testing the system's radio frequency detector and jammer with a software defined radio frequency range of between 70 megahertz and 6 gigahertz with the Indian Border Security Force on the Western Front. The DCM Counter Unmanned Aerial System CUAS has Ethernet-based automatic detection, tracking, identification, and neutralization capabilities for day and night. The CUAS has a military-grade design with shell protection level IP67 and IP66 and technology readiness level 9. In the global news, Naviris and Eurosam have been awarded a $1.7 billion contract from the Organization for Joint Armament Cooperation for the midlife upgrade of four Franco-Italian Horizon-class anti-air warfare frigates. The contract allows a memorandum of understanding signed by representatives from Italy and France at the Paris Air Show on 20th June. Built under a joint program between Fincantieri and Naval Group between 2000 and 2010, the Horizon class comprises two Forbin class frigates operated by the French Navy and two Andrea Doria class destroyers operated by the Italian Navy. The MLU covers the overall modernization of the frigates to maintain and extend their capabilities and performance to the end of their service lives. Work will focus on ships' principal anti-air missile systems, encompassing updates to radars, munitions, and associated command and control functionality. Rheinmetall AG has completed its takeover of all shares in Expal Systems SAU of Madrid on 1st of August. Rheinmetall thus continues to expand its position as an important supplier for NATO armed forces, systematically increasing its production capacity, especially for artillery, mortar, and medium caliber ammunition. The purchase price for the takeover of Expal Systems, a world-renowned ammunition and armament manufacturer, is about 1.2 billion euros. Moving forward, the company will operate under the name Rheinmetall Expal Munitions SAU. Amprius Technologies, a leader in next-generation lithium-ion batteries with its silicon anode platform, announced that its high-density batteries played a significant role in powering BAE Systems' first successful stratospheric flight trial. The high altitude pseudo satellite HAPS Uncrewed aerial system, designed by BAE Systems subsidiary Prismatic Limited, is planned to operate above the weather and conventional air traffic. Indonesia has bought 12 new drones from Turkish aerospace industries worth $300 million. The deal with Ankara-based Turkish aerospace industries was finalized in February, and the drones are expected to be delivered within 32 months of the signing. It also includes training and flight simulators. Lockheed Martin made an announcement about their latest achievement in the development of a 500 kilowatt class laser weapon, which currently stands as the world's most powerful laser weapon, surpassing their previous 300 kilowatt class laser. This advancement is a significant milestone within the framework of the High Energy Laser Scaling Initiative (HELSI). The 500 kilowatt class laser weapon is designed for tactical configurations and incorporates the Department of Defense's modular open system approach standards which promotes system interoperability and multi mission integration. That's all the news for today. Thank you and have a great day.